Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you are getting this error. Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time while sign in your Rockstar Games account. Just hit the close to come to back from the your Rockstar Games launcher. Then I will provide best proven solution. That solution you will try to in this problem easily prevent it. So let's look at the solution. First solution, we can go to remove background running apps. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type the task manager. We can click to open. After open it, then in the search bar type Rockstar games are related background running apps. Just right click to remove from the task manager. After removed, then close it. Then you can go to do the next solution. The next solution, remove Rockstar Games Launcher from documents. So you can go to click on you open the file explorer. Then you can go to click on the documents. Then navigate to your Rockstar Games folder. Then you can here you can see just select your launcher. Then right click. Then here you can go to select the delete button, click to remove from the particular folder. After finish it, then you close the file exporter. Then you can go to do it I will expose step. So then you can double tap to open the Rockstar Games launcher. Then there will be updating available, just automatically will be update. Wait until 2 or 3 minutes after updated. Then you can go to again sign in your account. After that your problem will be solved. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will guide you. And don't forget subscribe. And thanks for watching.